Hello everyone, so you're probably wondering where I am today, in this fantastic green belt just behind me. I'm actually, believe it or not, in Cockett in SA2, and I have got one of the best refurbed houses that I've ever seen in this area. So what we're going to do, we're going to quickly go over to the house now and have a little look around, okay? So there we go, even at the back of the house you've got this fantastic entertainment zone. It's got its own pool table at the moment, but what you do with it, that's completely up to yourselves. So there we go then everyone, that is my home for you down in Cockett. If you're looking for a house that's got a lovely green belt on its doorstep, views down towards the Mumble seafront, and has the best interior decoration you're going to find, reach out to me on the number below. It'd be great to have a chat with you. See you soon guys, bye.